Hello everyone, and welcome to this short video on the More4apps Cloud Supplier Integrator functionality. It's a fully featured Excel front end for your supplier setup and maintenance on Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. Sitting within the familiar user interface of Excel, the More4apps ribbon sits within the add-in at the top of your spreadsheet. From here you can log in to multiple instances, and you log in using your standard username and password, giving you a complete two-way exchange of data using the upload and download buttons here in the ribbon. Within the More4apps add-in there's multiple templates you can select from. In this case we'll choose the finance supplier one, and you can see all the different fields that are available. It's all in one spreadsheet, the whole process start to finish, the entire supplier record top to bottom. It's also quite intuitive, mapping most of the fields on the supplier form. The single sheet layout has support for the headers, attachments, flex fields, addresses, sites, assignments, classifications and more. The layout is totally flexible. You can move columns, you can delete columns you don't need, and you can place them where you want them to be. In this example here, we're going to remove the invoicing information and we're going to place that further up the spreadsheet ahead of purchasing. Now if you wanted to update the invoicing information and payment terms, we can simply download the existing suppliers onto the sheet by two means. You can either list the individual supplier numbers or names, or you can use the download form and use the selection criteria to filter on. Once we have the data in this sheet, we can simply update the records that we wish to change and upload the data back into Oracle. So by using the defaulting functionality, we are going to have new invoicing terms up the top here, and we're simply going to press upload selected on these records, and it's going to default those values through on the right hand side and upload directly into Oracle. No waiting for background processes, you get your feedback instantly back in the spreadsheet. Let's look at how easy it is to add attachments to existing suppliers. Here we have a very simplistic layout made out for this specific purpose. You can optionally use the user form to enter your data, or you can just enter it directly into the spreadsheet. You can either download the supplier information, but you can just paste in the supplier name or the supplier number and then just upload the data directly. You do not need to do a download first. Now that our upload is complete, you can see all the records that have been accepted, and of course the one that's failed, the API at the bottom. Again, the feedback back in the worksheet. And like all the More4apps products, all the data is in one worksheet. It's flexible worksheet layout, there's advanced preload validation, single-step upload processing and direct downloads from Oracle. Thanks for watching this video and good luck with your supplier creation and maintenance.